50 times in the morning on an empty stomach. Stick to it for a week and stay away from belly fat and waistline. Shoulder and back exercises. Do this 100 times a day. The back becomes flexible. It can also relieve our shoulders and necks. Spring legs. One moment exercise the waist, hips, legs and knees, increasing strength and flexibility. Swing your legs for 5 minutes every day. Stretch meridians up, maintain knee joints. Calf lift protector. Promote circulation and reduce stress. Twist every day. Improve hip joints and enhance muscle strength. Stand like this for 10 minutes every day. My stomach is flat, my back is straight, and my temperament has improved. Loose shoulders and back. Just practice this one more. One action to slim down the whole body. Stretch side waist muscles. Exercise the waist, hips and shoulders at same time. Raising yang and removing dampness. Half an hour a day to replenish yang, strengthen the moon and make the whole body relaxed. If we insist on doing this 100 times a day, our back will become more flexible and our shoulders and necks can be relieved. Add dancing turning gymnastics. The more you practice, the more flexible you become. Exercise your arms and stretch your back. Turn your waist with your hands level with your shoulders. Push 5 directions. Push away shoulder and neck fan. Quickly increase energy. Tremor and lifting feet 50 times a day. Body recovers quickly. 3 roosters walking. Small movements have big effect. Exercise the whole body and one moment. Strengthen muscles and bones, stimulate vitality. Hold your hands firmly, breathe naturally and keep your mind on the intent. For 60 seconds at a time, 50 strokes a day. The benefits will come uninvited. Action that everyone in the body loves. 100 strokes a day full of energy and the ancient art of Vajra squat dynamic. The knees of elephant legs. Look the core, turn and exhale. Complete the group 3 minutes a day. The golden rooster flutters its feathers. Shake it every day to clear all kinds of blockage. 100 refinements are not rising sun jump. Practice this when you are in a bad mood. 5 minutes of being angry is equivalent to staying up late for a week. Practicing this action, push hands to open shoulder. 10 minutes of stretching every day helps us relax throughout the day.